Good morning, all of you. I am Avinash Khandit from Class 8, going to say a poem on Independence Day. हम तो आज़ाद हुए लड़कर पर आज़ादी के बाद भी लड़ रहे हैं। पहले अंग्रेज़ों से लड़े थे, अब अपनों से लड़ रहे हैं। आज़ादी से पहले कितने ख्वाब आँखों में संजो रखे थे, अब आज़ादी के बाद वह ख्वाब ख्वाब ही रह गए हैं। अब तो अंग्रेजी राज और इस राज में फ़र्क न लगे, पहले की वह बस स्थिति अब बदतर हो गई है।
Good morning everyone. Myself Jyoti Pasna Naik from class 8 is going to speak few lines on Independence Day. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. We all are really proud to be an Indian. Today we all are celebrating our 75th Independence Day of our country. Long back in 1947 we got our independence only because the struggle of our freedom fighters. It is important that we should remember each of them today. We are celebrating Independence Day as our national festival. Independence Day is observed throughout India with flag hosting ceremonies, parades, and a lot of cultural events. On this day, the citizens pay respect who fought bravely for India's independence in the past. However, this year, just like the year, there will be no grand celebration or social gathering due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, Monal. Present here. I am Rishi Rana of Class 8. Is standing before you to deliver a speech based on Independence Day. India will celebrate its 75th year of independence on 15th August like every year. The tricolor will be unfurled from the Red Fort, Old Delhi by Prime Minister of India. On this day, the citizens pay respect to all the great leaders who fought bravely for India's independence in the past. However, this year is just like the year. There will be no grand celebrations or social gatherings due to COVID-19 pandemic. Independence Day is marked as the occasion to celebrate the countless sacrifice and struggle our freedom fighters have made to make India independent from British rule. It is observed as a national holiday with a flag hosting ceremony, parade, and singing the national anthem with patriotic spirit. It was on August 15, 1947 that India was freed from the British rule by gaining independence. Before independence, India was a British colony, and during that period, our people have suffered a lot and have sacrificed their lives. People who have been born after independence must feel proud as they are fortunate to born in an independent India. They must acknowledge the sacrifice of our freedom fighter. After independence, we got our own constitutions and are able to enjoy fundamental rights. We should be proud to be an Indian, and we should admire our fortune to have been born in the land of independent India. From 1857 to 1947, history has noticed several revolutions and sacrifices of our great leaders and freedom fighters. We should not forget of all the freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and millions of others whose names are not even known, but they fought to make India free from the colonial rule of Britishers. We should remember the teachings of freedom fighters like Gandhiji, non-violence philosophy, and should follow it in our lives. On this auspicious occasion of Indian Independence Day, national flag is unfurled and national anthem is recited by the people across the country. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.
A very good morning to everyone. Today, on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, I, Soumya Surabh Suna, take this wonderful opportunity to speak few words on Independence Day. Our country, India, is a multilingual and a multiracial country. At different times, the subcontinent came under different rules due to the lack of unity. After the downfall of the Mughals and the Marathas, India came under the British rule. The Battle of Plassey and the downfall of Nawab Siraj-ud-Daulah in 1757 gave an opportunity to the British rule over India. The first great rebellion came against the British rule in India in the year 1857 when Mangal Pandey refused to use and file gun and shot his commander to death. Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi, Tantia Tob, Nana Sahib, and many others sacrificed their lives for the sake of our motherland. The second phase of freedom movement started under the flag of Indian National Congress. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and many others fought courageously against the mighty British rule in India and finally bought its independence on 15th August 1947. But the divide and rule policy of the Britishers divided this great country into two different independent countries like India and Pakistan. However, the efforts and sacrifice of a lot of great sons of our country made us free from foreign power like the British. By celebrating the occasion, we should pay our homage to those freedom fighters and recall their virtues. On this occasion, I would like to point out that nowadays the so called representatives of the people of India thought this country the property of their parents. There started the hereditary and family administration in the states and at the center. uh, Come, let's swear at this auspicious celebration to fight against these corrupted political leaders. With this, I conclude my speech. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.